Too much land in this country, particularly in the West, is owned by the federal government. It's not right. It doesn't make sense. And we need to transfer that land back to the states, or even better, back to the people. It shouldn't. The people of Idaho know much better what to do with the land here than does the federal government. There's no reason for the federal government to be the largest landowner in this country. You know, in my home state of Texas, 2% of the state is owned by the federal government. I got to tell you, in Texas, we think that's 2% too much. It doesn't make any sense at all. It's an historical accident. The eastern part of the country, that's not the case. The federal government doesn't own the majority of the land in the east. But the West, when states joined the Union, they found themselves in a situation where the government took control of far too much land. And I think we need to give it back to the states. We need to send it back to the people. We need to allow the people of Idaho to make the decision what to do with their land. The people of the states to make the decisions what to do with the land. And by the way, we're not talking about federal parks. This is an issue that often gets demagogued. Federal parks are wonderful. And in fact, one of the problems with federal parks is we don't have the budget to preserve them, to have upkeep. If we got the federal government out of the business of being a massive landowner, we could use that new revenue to upkeep our federal parks even better, so that all of us could enjoy God's natural beauty without the government, the federal government, taking vast areas of land out of circulation for the private citizens.
That's wonderful.